Welcome back to 369 Crypto. Today we're going to take a look at GPool staking with Theta. I didn't know anything about it, so I joined the Telegram group. I'll put a link in the description for the GPool Telegram group, as well as the Theta token Telegram group. But while we're here at my channel, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. We're doing nicely with 134. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on the, smash it with the video, if you would. We've got Theta token mainnet playlist right here. If you want to just refer to that for any other videos of how to obtain Theta or any Theta related videos are on that playlist. One video that I did look up, and this is how to stake Theta on GPool, and I'm going to refer to this video because it's the one from GPool of how to stake there. I've also created an account on GPool. You go to gpool.io. There'll be a link in the description. Make sure it's the correct one. gpool.io, secure site. Okay. Yep. They've got two different staking pools. Apparently Cardano is coming soon, but if you click on the Theta one, which I've already done over here, and as you can see, you can select your pool. Theta pops up a leaderboard. It looks like everybody's anonymous and they've got beautiful photos. That's very cool. But 500 looks like I'm number 565 of 565. So I've not started any staking or Guardian nodes at this point. I'm just checking out the site and the UI and seeing what that's all about. So under profile, you can do avatar and change your screen name. It does seem to be resetting every time. So I also clicked on leaderboard anonymous function, which doesn't post your information or your screen name to others. That's why everybody's anonymous here. So that's a good thing to do before you tell everybody how much you have or whatever. Dashboard. I guess the pools are day and monthly pools. So you must first deposit Theta on stake page. Once that funding round is locked, come back and monitor your Guardian. Enter your Theta T-Fuel address. That's the wallet that you'll be using to interact with this site. Transaction history comes up here. Joining Guardians at the overview page. Yeah, so at this point, what I've done for myself, so I can learn about this, so I can help you guys out, is I've joined the Telegram group for GPool, and I've also obviously set up an account with GPool. I'm still waiting on a transaction for Theta. One thing about Telegram, if you've not been on Telegram before, it's a lot. The Theta group is not too bad, but there's some other groups out there with a bunch of bots. Yeah. So if you're not familiar with Telegram, be careful. It's like Twitter on steroids. But we're going to continue on to watch this video. Put a link in the description. This is from the GPool team, verified, and I don't know who this guy is, but he does a great job explaining how the pool works and how to get in and out of the dailies and how the reward system works. So I'm going to play that video, and then if there's any other questions that people have, we do have the Telegram group for Theta, which if you talk about pools in the Theta Telegram, they're going to send you over to the GPool Telegram. One thing about the Theta Telegram that I've noticed, they keep it clean over there. So they don't talk about trading. They don't talk about pools. They don't talk about selling, price, anything. They talk about setting up nodes and streaming and setting up edge and the pool. The Telegram pool or the GPool Telegram is the place that you can talk about what's going on with GPool. And I guess they're coming out with a Cardano as well. So I'm going to play this video. Thanks everybody for watching. And if you need more information on playlists, you can check out the Theta token mainnet playlist. And that is in the 369 Crypto main page for YouTube. Again, thanks for watching, and Theta to the moon.
So what you find on this page is pretty much an overview. Up at the top, it tells you what your payouts will be for today. They're paid every 24 hours. As you can see in our simulated day in demo mode, the day is almost halfway through. This represents the pool's total rewards for the day, so everyone on the platform. This is the leaderboard, obviously. It's the top 3 ranked on how much the user has staked. This then goes further into detail about rank. As you can see, this user is ranked 1 out of the 7 simulated users. Also, of the 7 live nodes, this user's in 7 out of 7. Over here we have the user's total rewards since they started on the pool. And then here is the pool's total rewards since the pool started. Here we have the user's total stake. And we see the pool's total stake. Now to join, what you have to do is you get your cold storage address here, deposit address. Before you get one of these, you have to put in your payout address. And as you can see, it's strongly required or recommended. We were going to make it required. We should make it required to have 2-factor, which you set here and you follow the directions. Obviously, you can change and set other things for your profile in here as well. So, either you put your deposit or your payout address in and then get your deposit and then do your 2-factor or do your 2-factor right away. So once you have your payout address saved, you come over to join, you scan the QR, you send your Theta, not T-Fuel, Theta, not T-Fuel. So what you see here is we have round 1.91 being funded right now. Remaining time 6 hours. Theta that's been put in this round is 102. That's total. You'll see your total here for your contribution. Now we'll go over here to the dashboard where you see a little more detail about your payouts and your rewards. Obviously, this is the same timer throughout, and this is your payout, which is echoed up here. As we can see, this user, as I was stating, is in 7 of the 7 nodes. You can see that this node is getting ready to open up in 3 hours. It was node 1.90, which now 9.91 is getting ready to lock. So what you keep in mind here is relocking is done by default. If you want to withdraw, you select withdraw. You can then take a look and say, okay, 25,000 Theta is going to be withdrawn in 4 days. And obviously it goes down to the hours and minutes and seconds. Down here, we then have your pending and then completed payouts and withdrawals. They both come to the same screen. And obviously they're shown by the coins logo of what it was that you had gotten. Now, if we take a look at how it relocks and withdraws, what you do is you can take a step back and instantly see when you come to this page that you have 2 out of all of yours that are going to end up being withdrawn upon them opening. All right, so now what we can take a look at is the funding round and how that works. So if we take a look here, what we see here is we see now it's 2.90 that's getting ready to unlock in 22 hours, and 2.91 is funding. Now this 10,000 Theta is set to relock for this user. If they switch it to withdraw, as we can see, this round now just dropped by 10,000 Theta because it's no longer going to be put into this next round. So basically how it happens is that a round is closed out and another round is locked every 24 hours, the same as payouts. So you can join and add more, or you can relock, withdraw. How it works basically is this. Sunday evening, depending on your time zone, Eastern Standard Time, it's 6 p.m. But every Sunday, Node 1 starts its funding. And then Monday, 6 p.m., it closes its funding. And then you stay in that node for 7 days. So Sunday starts Node 1 funding. Monday's Node 2, or you could say Monday locks Node 1, Tuesday is Node 2, Wednesday, Thursday, so on and so forth. So you'll always know that when you're in Node 1, you have a decision to make on Monday. And that's basically the overview of how it works.